It's a little bird going after a lizard. That's what birds eat. And you see them right there in the bottom of the screen, where the grass is eating like the bottom of the bush. I guess the problem with animals is they want to get away from you. They're kind of scared. So I need a better zoom in of this bird.